Show me. Can you do tippy toes? Like it? Can you do tap, tap, tap like this? Just your toe. Now how about heel, 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 heel. You're on your way. It's July 18th, 2016, and Julie got her tapping shoes. Yay! Do it fast. With your arms. Perfect! Take a bow. Take a bow. You know how to do that? You go like this, down. Are you happy? You so happy? Turn around and tell me. How do you feel? You happy?